Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of nail art with the best XS square nail tips available. Let's get started. These GELLA extra short square fake nails are making waves in the beauty community, and for good reason. With 216 pre-shaped square press-on nails, this set offers versatility and convenience like no other. Featuring a professional-grade design, these extra short square tips provide a clear cover with high-quality gel material. Whether you prefer nail polish, dip powder, or acrylic, these nails offer salon-quality results without the hefty price tag. What sets these nails apart is their ease of use. With a shallow curve and smooth edges, they're comfortable to wear and easy to apply. Plus, there's no need for filing, saving you time and effort in your DIY nail routine. But it's not just about convenience, these nails are built to last. With proper application, they can withstand up to 21 days of wear, so you can enjoy long-lasting beauty without worrying about frequent touch-ups. And with 12 different sizes to choose from, finding the perfect fit for your nails is a breeze. Whether you have smaller or larger nails, there's a size for everyone in this comprehensive set. From everyday wear to special occasions, these XS square nail tips from GELLA are a game-changer for any nail enthusiast. Say goodbye to expensive salon visits and hello to salon-quality nails in the comfort of your own home. That wraps up our review of the best XS square nail tips on the market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish.